Hello and welcome to video 1 of our sight words for this week. We're going to go ahead and get started. If you have access to a printer and would like to print out the worksheet, go ahead. If you're just going to follow along with me, that's great as well. So here we go. Let's take a look at our word for this week. How many letters does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job. Do we have any tall letters? Yes, what are they? L, T, T, and L. Awesome job. Do we have any small letters? Good. I and E. Do we have any basement letters? We do not. All right, friends, so this word has 6 letters. It is L-I-T-T-L-E. This word is little, like I have a little sister, okay? Go ahead and pick up your pencils. If you're working at home on your worksheet, we're going to go ahead and write the word little. If you're following along with the video, please get your finger out for sky writing and let's go ahead and write. L I T T L E. Awesome job. Let's move on to this box down here. You need a yellow crayon at home if you're working on your worksheet. And if you're working with me, all you need are your hands because we're going to clap out the word little. Here we go. Little. Awesome job. Let's try it again. Little. How many times did we clap when we said the word little? 2. Let's color in our 2 bubble here. Awesome job. And today I am going to use, let's see here, blue to color in the word little. If you want to match me at home, you can. L I T T L E. Very nice job. Alrighty. If you're following along with me, give me a thumbs up if you think I did a good job and we're ready to move on. Awesome work so far. Let's move on to this box here. Swap out those crayons and pick up those pencils. We are going to trace the word little. If you're following along with me, spell it out loud with me. Ready? Here we go. L I T T L E. Good job. Let's move over to our spell it box here. Remember, we always take a look at the sizes of our boxes before we start. So how many big boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Think about what letters you want to put in these boxes. How many small boxes do we have? 1, 2. Think about what letters you're going to put in these boxes and let's spell the word little together. Here we go. L I, and you guys know I always like to put my dot up here. T T L E. Awesome job. Find it down here 3 times. If you're working at home, go ahead and start circling. If you're watching on the video, you may circle up against like your computer screen or your iPad screen, whatever you're watching on. Make sure you find it 3 times. Awesome, here we go. I'm going to circle it on my screen. 1, 2, 3. Great work. And last but not least, we're going to say the word to someone. You can pick mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever you're working with, your brother and sister. You can say it to me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, little. Good. Check mark in the box if you're working at home. Check mark in the air if you're following along with the video. And great work. All right, friends, again, this word for today is little. Little. Stay tuned and I'll have a new video for you tomorrow.